Welcome back to Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden. Today we'll be harvesting our garlic. The way you can tell your garlic is ready is the bottom 3 to 4 leaves will turn brown and die off. To harvest the garlic, take a spade or a small trowel and a few inches away from the base of the plant, dig down deep and loosen up and break the roots at the bottom, and then you can easily pull out the garlic. Don't just grab and pull because you might damage the cloves or break it off into the ground. We are pretty excited this year. Our garlic last year did not form cloves and was a complete failure. This year, though, it's much better, and everything we planted produced a clove. Some are large, some are small. You'll want to use the smaller ones for cooking and save some of your largest ones for planting in the fall. The larger the clove you plant, the bigger the harvest the next year. To cure the garlic for long-term storage, you'll want to lay it out in an area that can get a lot of good ventilation, not in direct sunlight, and that will stay dry. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this content, and thank you from Northeast Ohio Veggie Garden.